So today we are going to talk about everything that I think that you need to know about if you are going to go to the spa on a cruise ship. There is lots to cover and I am really anxious to hear about your experiences, so let's go ahead and get started. Hi there, this is Allison with Let's Go Travel Tips. Today is Monday, it's December 19th of 2022. As you can see, I'm back here at headquarters and I still have lots to share with you about my cruise on the Celebrity Reflection. I'm going to do a video just comparing it to Celebrity and Princess to each other because they have been considered competitors for a long time. And I know that a lot of us have cruised on Princess a lot and are wondering about Celebrity, so I want to tell you all about that. But today, based on an experience that I had, I wanted to put this video out both for all of you who have cruised lots as well as those of you who have never cruised before, because I think it's really important to know how this works and what to expect if you book an appointment at the spa on a cruise ship. So first of all, be aware when you book an appointment, and you know what, I should add that usually on embarkation day they will have some tours available that they'll just have someone walk you through and show you everything that's available. I have put those up on Princess from the cruises that I went on, a couple of them that I've been on, so those are available on my channel. But when I was just on the Celebrity Reflection, I didn't see a spa tour. Doesn't mean they didn't have one. I was really busy on embarkation day, and so I could have easily missed it. But it's very similar to Princess. I think the same company, I could be wrong, but I think a lot of the cruise lines contract, at least Princess and Celebrity, it's very similar in their spas. They both use Kerastase products for hair and Elemis products for your skin. And so that experience to me is very similar. As far as the medical spa things, I'm not quite as sure because I didn't get that tour on Celebrity, but I looked through their list of services and a lot of it seems very, very similar. So be aware when you go that these people come from all around the world and they actually are really good at what they do. They do an excellent job. I know you have seen me, I've gotten my hair done a couple of times on Princess. I got it cut this time on Celebrity and blow dried. Now, and they have done a really good job. I haven't found the person here in the area where I live yet that can cut hair, as well as the people that I've had do it on the cruise ship. I would really like to find that person here. I've tried lots of different people, had a really good person for a while, and then she moved away. But anyway, they are very good at what they do. So I would think that if you go book an appointment, tell them what you want. I think that you will hopefully be pleased with the outcome. If any of you haven't, let me know, because it's just been my experience and the people that I know that they have been pleased with the outcome. Now, when you go to a medical, the spa on the ship, they have a medical spa that they offer some of the treatments like with lasers, different things like that you would see at a medical spa here on land. They also do all sorts of kinds of things that you can ask for your hair. You can get a cut and a color, like different treatments, like I've gotten keratin treatments 2 times, just lots of things, and they are good at telling you or recommending what would be good for you. But you can also go and know what you wanting to have done and make an appointment for that. Now, they also do like pedicures, manicures, just lots of different things that you would expect at a spa. And so that's very nice. I love that they have them on a cruise ship because sometimes you have more time when you're on a cruise than you do when you're home, if you're working a lot or taking care of someone. So I'm really glad that they have them on the cruise ship. Be aware that as you do this, though, often it costs more than it does on land. Not always, I would submit, because I know we all live in different places, both in the United States and in different places in the world. But like when I just barely got my hair cut and blow dried, it was $109, which is a little bit more than I pay here. But like I said, I wanted to get it done and I knew they would do a good job. The other thing that goes along with that is be aware that whenever you have anything done in the spa, they automatically add their gratuity to it. So it's 18 or 20%. I think it was just 20% on Celebrity. It's 18% on Princess, and they just automatically add that on. They'll show you the price for your service, then they'll show that gratuity is there, but then they have another line to add another gratuity. So that's up to you if you want to add more, but be aware that they have already added that gratuity there. All right. And I think that's fine, but just be aware of it so that if you don't want to tip twice, you don't. Now, here's the thing that I think is really important for everyone to know. That other is just general information, but when you go there, they are going to try to sell you everything. And depending on who you get, they're going to, some people will try to sell you more and be really, really, really firm, like, and trying to get you to buy things. So if you get your hair done, they're going to try to sell you hair products, and they're going to, like the other night, and this is why I decided to tell you about this. So when I was there, got my hair done, and then he's trying to sell me face creams, and I'm like, no, I really like the creams that I've gotten. He's like, I know, but you have bad wrinkles, and you really need this. And I was like, well, I'm not 30 anymore. It would be weird if I looked like I was 30. That would be funny. And so I'm happy. It's okay. He was so persistent. So persistent. And I know I'm a little mad at myself, but I gave in and bought what he was trying to sell me. Now, it's really important. And the reason that I'm telling you this is because what I bought, it doesn't mess up Gordon and I's budget. It's okay, and I knew that. It's more than I wanted to spend, absolutely. But we're okay. I didn't spend money that we didn't have or that would put us in a tight spot with anything else. But I want you to know that they're going to do this. And some people are going to be really firm. The one year that I just had this last week was the firmest person that I've ever had. When I was on Princess earlier this summer, and then again at the end of October, they were not pushy at all. They asked if I wanted something, and when I said no thank you, we were done. But this person was very persistent. I don't think that is linked to celebrity. They work for the spa company. And so just wanted to make you aware of that so that when you go, you know what you want to do and that you're ready to just say, no, thank you, no, thank you, no, thank you, like I should have done a better job with. Now, tying to that it was really interesting to me because I was I was miffed with myself, and I was miffed with him for being so pushy. Now, when I went down to customer service on the last day of the cruise, it was a sea day, I went down there because my transfer from the ship to the Fort Lauderdale airport wasn't showing up in my thing. So I went down there to talk to them about that. While I was there was a couple that was they wanted to return expensive products that they had bought at the spa. They hadn't opened them yet, and I think they were kind of in the situation that I was in, that the person was very, very, very persistent and pushy, and they had decided they didn't want that. And so I found out through listening to them and talking to people that if you decide that you want to return something, you have to go talk to them at the spa. Customer service can't do anything about it for you. As I listened, they were firm that they couldn't take a return, and finally the people went up to the spa. I had someone in our group who was up there for something, and she said that they came, and it got to the point where the man said, I'm going to get my attorney involved if you don't refund this, like if you don't let me get it back, return it. And so then they took it back, and they gave him his money back. I think it's ridiculous that we have to get to that point. But I don't know, you guys. I just want you to be aware of that. Does it mean you shouldn't go to the spa? Absolutely not. But I'm telling you this as a point of reference so that when you go, you're prepared. And if I would really like to hear from all of you, if you've got anything that you would like to share from an experience in the spa, like anything that you've had done that you thought was great, something that wasn't so great, have you ever been pressured to buy things that you didn't really want? Did you give in? Did you not? I should have been stronger. It's just hard sometimes. And it was buying things. Nobody was talking me into doing anything illegal or doing anything that I'm morally against, but because I wouldn't give in on that. But I just wanted to share that experience with you. Make sure that everybody's aware on that. Also, if you've got anything else that you think it would be helpful for people to know, add it in the comments, and I'll share that again another time. But I just wanted to let you know that the spa is lovely. It's like, Gordon had a massage done on the Regal Princess. He absolutely loved it. So it's great. It's great. And oh, you know what? They offer acupuncture too. They always have a doctor on board that can do acupuncture. I've heard a lot of people have success with that. So there's lots of options. I appreciate you all for sticking with me. This evening we are planning to do our live. It's always at 9 p.m. Eastern time, and so we'll look forward to seeing you all there. Bring your questions, bring your comments. We just absolutely love that a live is a thing and that we get to visit with you all and see all of your comments. We really appreciate you all, so come and join us this evening. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. If you appreciate these updates, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will be talking to you all again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.